Hello, friend. Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. And actually, our tutorial series is going on, and already I have published 60 different tutorial on this project. Actually, I don't know how this course will be helpful for your learning purpose. If guys, if you think this series will be impact of your learning curve. So please, humble request to comment something, or otherwise, I want to change my decision and this series will be closed. Because my intention will be cleared. It's a really free resource I have provide, and I just share my knowledge accordingly to help someone who has increased your knowledge to the next level. But not so proper response at this moment yet. But I still get some response, and people will some inspire and motivate some comments, or some couple of guy has to connect with me. But please, humble request, if you are a beginner, please at least comment if this tutorial will be effective or not. It will be better for this decision to progress of this series will be complete or not, or something, because you know that it's a very lengthy process to manage all of things. Actually, this series is recording and editing. It's too tough actually to manage this time. It's very difficult. So, by the way, in our previous section, I just managed to keep really dynamic of this process. It's a breadcrumb, was the breadcrumb, and now this time I just managed for this things of learn. Actually, learn comes from its course goal. Okay, so all of this data here we show in here. Because of that, this course, actually this course details slug was powerful business writing, and that's why it's obviously this is the same course. Oh, no, so better it jump to the this my mistake, sorry. And this is here powerful business writing and conscious, and I hope that it's okay. So now go to the VS code and should take action. Now this is our controller actually, and this controller was this is the course actually. Okay, so better I just check for this what data will be comes currently. So just we check for this return course, and it will be for the JSON data will be showing here, and just keep reload. And here this is the data. Data is comes here. This is the actually course data, and here this is the category. Because of that, you know that it comes to the relationship and also the subcategory. Okay, and also this user, but not course goal is in here, including here. So our first criteria will be course goal data comes to in our query. Actually comes from the this query. So okay, so now this is our course. So better we have also include course goal. I hope already created course goal. This is our category, subcategory, user, and yes, course goal will be previously relationship or will be created. Okay, so better than here. And course goal actually, okay, just nothing. It's a very simple. Already our relationship built it previously. So now this is the course goal. Okay, and we just also check it. Just keep reload once again. And here this is a user, and look at that, this is a course goal data will be in here. So in this data I just show into our web page. That's nothing. Just keep the once again, you already know that we just manage for each loop, and also have a graph for all of this data. Okay, fine. So better just move for this here. This is our testing purpose, and here go to our just what content. This is our course, and this is the learn section. Okay, so here lots of data. Here is this UL tag, and here is a div actually. uh, so look at this, there is a lot of static data, so I just manage all of this, delete actually, there's nothing else. And here what you will learn, and this is our UL, so better all of this li as usual to be removed, and just keep manage for this for is this is our course, and this array will be course goal, and it will be the item. Okay, done. And now this is the perfect, so better. Yeah, fine. It's a simple. I just put item tends to call underscore name. Okay. I just check it. Is it work or not? Okay, just keep reload. Actually, here the data will be came in perfectly. I just check it. Is it right or not? Look at the right, punctual, more conscious message with confidence, and I hope that it should be work. That's a very attractive and the nice way, and organize. Okay, fine. And last, this is the very important phase of our course content. And if you just our live project, and here this is our, if you just visit the business and just check it, and this is here you see that actually yes, this places, and this places, first of all, you see that this is our course section, and after the specific course section has multiple course lecture. It's a very attractive, actually is the perfect real industry based LMS project, right? So I just no compromise about this tutorial. It's just like as similar as a client project. If you strongly handle all of these things, and I will be guaranteed you will be hired as a fresher or intern software developer. So please keep with us, and also I humble request to support this channel. Actually, just comment or like or share something, like if you interest to please subscribe for this, for our humble request. And our next lecture, I will be try. Uh, Actually has the requirement also, right? Requirement, and this is a description. This description will be comes from here actually, friend. Yes. I have the description. So why just I'm missing for the description actually? Okay. So don't worry. I just manage it in this previous lecture. I just put in the description. So don't worry. So okay. So let's see for the next video. So thanks for us.